Hi, I'm Ramesh Dham. I'm working as a digital manufacturing head in Coromandel International. So we are working on many technology aspects in digital manufacturing. We started journey a few years ago, and when we started, the major challenge was the asset availability, the throughput, and the production optimization. So we took some of the initiative in production optimization, but the major challenge was the asset availability. So at that time, we partnered with Infinite Uptime to take care of this aspect of production. So if we get the availability, then only we can increase the productivity. So we started in 2022, and we started with around 400 sensor at that time, and we chosen some of the critical equipment, and we put it some of the sensor there, and we started taking report. In first 6 months only, we realized like, okay, we are getting too much benefit, and then we ask Infinite Uptime to come here and do again survey, and what are the instrument left, please take them also into the system. Then in next year we increased that sensor to double and more than double also. And now anything that we are thinking like it is a critical equipment, we have the sensors, IoT sensors there. So most of the thing in Infinite Time that we like is the real time input that we are getting, our maintenance department that is getting, and also their DRS report. So I think the DRS report is the best thing that we are getting. They are analyzing all our faults, and they are suggesting like what to do. And in last 3 years, we have saved almost 700 hours of downtime in only fertilizer manufacturing. So after that, after fertilizer, we scaled it to our CPC business, our SSP business. So now we have 13 manufacturing units where we have installed the IoT sensors on all the critical equipment, and we are scaling to all the rest of the other plants also across India. Right now we have 23 plants. So out of 18 are under Coromandel and a few are under NACL. So in future we would like to increase and scale this IoT sensor to all the other units also. So till now, I think we are getting much benefit out of this IoT technology, and we are like thinking like it should be replicated to all the other units also. Thank you.